muna natin ang mga highlights sa first game ng ating Super Bowl Sunday.
Well, dito masyado maganda ang umpisa dito ng NLEX. Pero na-match naman ng Alaska ang kanilang intensity for about 5-6 minutes. Makita mo dyan, lumalamang pa ang Alaska. Then quickly to well, he was not used in that fourth quarter rally run of theirs. No? But because I thought Pats defended well, caused a lot of turnovers because of his tight defense. And lumamang dyan ng NLEX ng 11, which was the number Larry had in that first quarter. And again, that nice pass nabigay ni Kiefer kay Kuya Larry.
At patuloy nga pananalasa ng Road Warriors in the second frame. Beautiful pitch there for Ravena's finish. Ito mo naman, ano? 52-32 ating score at the half.
20 ang lamang yan.
Tapos sa third quarter, lalo pang na-disgrasya dito ang Alaska, to.
Well, ang nangyari dito, nakalimutan mag-safety, no? Ang karamihang beses ng Alaska, minsan makashoot na, nakakalimutan mag-safety. Tapos yung bato ni Wami, yung bato ni Kevin Alas at one stage there. Lumaki nga ang lamang dito, pero ito, ang dami nga agaw ni Vic Manuel na ganito.
Oo, umabot ng 30 lamang, pero itong rally ng Alaska sa dulo, ibababa nila sa 2 na lang. No timeouts for NLEX for the last 4.5 minutes. Pero yung poise nila pagdating sa dulo at yung sama nung pasa ni Racal papunta sana kay Cruz.
Yeah, that's
spelled doom for the Aces.
Yeah, they tried the backdoor play that I remember was used to Seattle Supersonics para kay Dennis Johnson dati. Mamali siya.
Yeah. And final score is 96-89. NLEX 3 in a row, 5-4 na sila. Alaska babagsak sa 6-3.
Tabla sila ng Magnolia.